Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video I want to show you how to delete or repost on TikTok. It's actually very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. First step to take, guys, is to of course open the TikTok app and log into your account. Next, you have to head to your profile, so click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Alright, so once you do that, from here you're going to see all your videos on your profile. Alright, you're going to see your followers, your following, your liked videos, etc. And also you're going to find your reposted videos. So if you want to see that, if you look around here, you find this repost icon just right here. So all you have to do is to click on that. Once you click on that, you find all your reposted videos. Right, so if you want to delete all your reposted videos on TikTok, all you have to do is to select the videos individually and then click on the share icon at the bottom right, at the right hand side of your screen. So once you do that, you find these remove repost option just right here. Tap on it and it will be removed. If you go back, you won't be able to see that reposted video right here. So you have to do that individually for each of these videos to remove, because TikTok doesn't have a way of removing all the reposted videos at once. So fortunately you can't do that at once, so you have to do it individually. So right, so that's how to do it. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to remove or repost videos on TikTok. If you just give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.